Hello students, welcome. In this video we are going to discuss about molarity and molality. They both are known as concentration terms, that is they are used to identify the concentration or amount of solute present in a solution. Okay, let us first discuss about molarity. Okay, right. It is defined as the amount of solute present in 1 liter of a solution. Molarity is denoted by capital M. It is denoted by capital M. If somewhere you find 2m HCl solution, it means 2 moles of HCl is present in 1 liter of a solution. Okay, and mathematically molarity M is moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Okay, write it down. Okay, let us take an example. Okay, calculate the molarity. Calculate the molarity of 20 gram. Calculate the molarity of 20 gram NaO is present in 200 ml of solution. For calculating molarity, we need moles of solute and volume of solution. What is the solute in this case? In this case, the solute is sodium hydroxide, and the mass of solute is given, but we have to find first the moles of solute. Okay, we know how to find the moles or number of mole. So let us find number of moles of NaOH. Number of moles of, we know that number of mole N equal mass by molar mass. So what is the mass here? the mass of solute is 20 gram, and the molar mass in case of NaOH is, mass of sodium is 23, mass of oxygen 16, mass of hydrogen 1 equal 40 gram. So number of moles equals 0.5. So the number of moles of sodium hydroxide in this case will be 0.5. Now we have to calculate molarity. Molarity M equal, we know that number of moles of solute. Here solute is NaOH. So number of moles of NaOH divided by volume of solution in liter. Since the volume of solution is 200 ml, which is in ml, so we have to convert 200 ml to liter. So write molarity will be 0.5, which is number of mole, and volume equal 200 ml by 1000. So the number of mole will be 2.5 moles. You note it down. Now let us take another example. Calculate the number of moles (98 gram) of H2SO4. Calculate the number of moles of 90 gram of H2SO4 present in 250 ml of solution. You try to solve the question. Okay? This is quite almost similar to the earlier question we have discussed. Let us take another type of example. Calculate 49 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved no, 49 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved in 200 ml of a solution. Calculate the molarity of A H2SO4, B H positive ion, C SO4 2 negative ion. In this case we have to find the molarity of H2SO4, hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. The formula is same. In the first step we have to calculate the number of moles of H2SO4. Since mass is given, we can calculate easily the molarity or number of moles of H2SO4. Number of moles can be denoted by symbol N. Number of moles of H2SO4 will be mass by molar mass. Mass of H2SO4 is given, which is 49 gram. Let us see what is the molar mass of H2SO4. H2SO4. Mass of hydrogen is 1. There are 2 hydrogens. So for hydrogen 2, mass of sulfur 32, mass of oxygen 16. There are 4 oxygen. So total will be 64. It is 98 gram. So molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. So the number of mole will be 0.5. Now the molarity of H2SO4 will be number of moles of H2SO4, which is 0.5 divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution is 200 ml, which we have to divide by 1000 to make it in liter. So number of mole is 2.5. Molarity. The molarity of H2SO4 is 2.5. Now we have to identify the molarity of H positive and SO4 2 negative ion. For this, we have to see the dissociation of H2SO4. For this, we have to write the equation H2SO4. In H2SO4, there are 2 types of ion. One is H positive ion and another is SO4 2 negative ion. Okay, there are 2 types of ion. One is H positive ion, another is SO4 2 negative ion. The number of hydrogen is 2 here. You can see H2. So we have to put A2 here. And the number of SO4 is 1. SO4. Okay. And we have already found the molarity of H2SO4 is 2.5. Now you can see that the coefficient of H2SO4 is 1. Since here one molecule of H2SO4 is present, but in case of hydrogen you can see that there are 2 hydrogen positive ion present. The molarity of one substance is 2.5. Here the number is twice, so the molarity will be 2 into 2.5 m. So molarity of H positive ion is 5 and SO4 will be 2.5 since there is only one SO4 ion present. If the coefficient will be 3, then we have to multiply 3. If it is 5, we have to multiply it with 5. If it is 2 and it is also 2, then molarity will be same. Okay? Okay, note it down. Now let us move to another concept, molality. Molality is defined denoted by small m and defined as it is the amount of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. What is the difference between molarity and molality? In the earlier one, molarity, which was capital M. In this case, we see the amount of solute present in 1 liter, but here in case of molality it is 1 kg, and in place of solution here it is solvent. So small m or molality is defined can be calculated by number of moles of solute by mass of solvent, not solution, in kg. Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. In case of molarity it was solution in liter. Okay. If you see 2m solution of 2m solution of HCl, it means 2 moles of HCl is present in 1 kg of solvent, not solution. 2 moles of HCl, 2m HCl represents 2 moles of HCl present in 1 kg of solvent. Okay, let us take an example. Okay. Calculate the molality of calculate the molality of 106 gram Na2CO3 present in 2 kg of okay, 2 kg of solvent solution. So here also we have to find first the number of moles. So let us calculate number of moles of Na2CO3. Mass by molar mass. Mass is 106 gram. Okay, let us calculate number of moles of molar mass. Na2CO3 22 into 23 plus carbon 12 in 3 into 16. 23 for sodium and 2 the number of sodium carbon, there is only one carbon, mass of carbon is 12 gram, there are 3 oxygen atoms, so 3 and mass of one oxygen is 16, so 46 plus 12 plus 48, so it will be 106. So number of moles 1, so molality will be number of moles of solute, which is 1, and volume of solution in volume of solvent in mass of solvent in kg, there is 2 kg of solvent, so divided it by 2. So molality of Na2CO3 in this case will be 0.5 m or 0.5 molar. Thank you.